In a significant development, the Supreme Court today ordered that no coercive action can be taken against Times Now news anchor Navika Kumar in connection with cases registered against her for a show in which former BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma made derogatory remarks against Prophet Muhammad. A bench comprising Justices Krishna Murari and Hema Kohli passed this interim order while issuing notice on the plea filed by Navika Kumar against the multiple FIRs registered in different states over the remarks made in the channel show telecasted on May 26 this year. Kumar, against whom FIRs have been registered in Maharashtra, West Bengal, Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir, moved the apex court seeking quashing of the cases or clubbing of the same and transferring it to one state. During the proceedings, senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for Kumar, submitted that Kumar did not make the controversial remarks and that she in fact tried to douse the fire. He pointed out that the first FIR was registered in Delhi and thus sought for clubbing of the other cases with the Delhi FIR. It was also contended that Navika Kumar is facing a rush of FIRs and that 6 FIRs have been registered against her in Kolkata alone. He relied on the TT Antony case decision which held that a second FIR cannot be registered with respect to the same offence. The senior counsel also apprised the court that interim protection has been granted to the prime accused Nupur Sharma. Rohatgi during the proceedings also pressed for an interim stay on the investigation. However, the bench said that it cannot pass such an order without hearing the respondents first. On the other hand, senior advocate Dr. Menaka Guruswamy, appearing for the state of West Bengal, said that the first FIR was registered in Kolkata and the Delhi FIR did not concern the relevant broadcast. To this, Rohatgi retorted, and I quote, "What is the special interest of the state of West Bengal in this matter?" Pursuant to the rival submissions, the bench agreed to issue notice and granted interim relief from any coercive action till the next date of hearing, which is slated to take place after 2 weeks. For context, on July 19th, interim relief had been granted to former BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma by the Supreme Court, ordering that no coercive steps should be taken against her in the multiple FIRs registered in different states over her remarks on Prophet Muhammad. For context, on July 19th, the Supreme Court had granted interim relief to former BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma by ordering that no coercive steps should be taken against her in the multiple FIRs registered in several states over her remarks on Prophet Muhammad during the television channel debate hosted by Times Now. The bench, comprising Justices Surya Kant and J.B. Pardiwala, which had earlier refused to club all the FIRs registered against her, had said that the same relief will cover any future FIRs or complaints which may be registered or entertained against her with respect to the same telecast. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhaumik reporting for LiveLaw.